Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to solve another question of mathematics that is related to the BODMAS. The question states 18 divided by 6 into bracket 5 plus 1 will be equal to what? So we will apply here BODMAS rule. So according to the rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So according to the bracket, 5 plus 1 will be equal to 6. So rest of the numbers will be written same. So 18 divided by 6 will be same and to 6. So after that we have to solve division. So we will divide 18 with 6. So after division, 18 divided by 6 we get the answer 3. So the answer will be 3 into 6. In the last we have to perform multiplication. So 3 into 6 will be equal to 18. The answer of this question will be equal to 18. So I hope you understood the question very well. So do subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.